Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We're coming back to episode 10. We want to show you the install. We've already dropped the counter down in there. It is spectacular. We've got the sink in. We don't have the faucet or anything in yet. We just want to bring you up to speed. But remember, these are the guys that all made this possible. So I couldn't have done it without these two. Just wanted to point that out. We've got a really cool surprise for you, though. This is one of the coolest phones on the planet. It's the new Samsung S22. I've had it for about a week. So we're going to spit this out in 8K Ultra. It's going to be the coolest thing that y'all have ever seen. Check this out. Let me get you spun around. Walking up to it. We are in 8K Ultra right now. Check this out. Look at that. These graphics are just wicked. So it all depends on the lighting. It all depends on a lot of stuff here to get everything to pick up. But look at this. Look how all that just turned out. It's so deceptive. It's so 3D. Then when you go down here flat level, check that out. That's what you see. So this edge, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that edge. Slicked up glass, just glides coming into this other side. Check this out. All the cabinets up here, the electric. You can put your makeup on in this thing. This thing is super sick. Glenn, buddy, I hope you love it. Be sure to give us the feedback. Let me know what you think. We're all happy here. It's all smiles. We can't wait for Friday. Might be Saturday. Might run over just a little bit. We had quite a bit of custom stuff in here to make. You know, we were trying to bang this job out in 2 weeks. So we've made 3 different custom tops. We got a hell of a custom shower we're doing. So we're going to show you the door installation tomorrow. You know, 2 professionals know what they're doing. These doors take about 2 hours and 30 minutes to install. So me and Tom got these suckers down to a science in about an hour and 20 minutes. So we're going to shrink that down even more for you, but not missing nothing so that you can install these doors yourself. As always, hope for Haley. Check it out. We're preaching her all month long. She is going to some appointments right now. They've got a lot of stuff going on their page. Please jump over there for Hope for Haley. She has gotten so many followers from you all tuning in, checking out the story. It gives her a lot of hope, a lot of inspiration for what she goes through every day of her life. So our heart goes out to Haley. Girl, we're thinking about you. We care. And we want to keep promoting you for the rest of the month. To everybody else, thanks for tuning in to episode 10. Episode 11 will be coming out tomorrow. And if you're not following yet, you need to be, because Teresa and her husband are going to be back here on Friday. We're not sure yet if the blindfold reveal for his wife, taking all this in. Remember, she don't know nothing about this kitchen counter. It was between me and Glenn. We did it behind closed doors. We worked it out. It did not cost him a dime. We were fortunate enough to get some extra resin, courtesy of Countertop Epoxy. Can't thank them enough for giving us twice the winnings. We are certainly paying it forward. We are doing this, all 3 of these custom slabs, for free. So can't wait to see everybody's reaction. If you don't think Teresa's going to cry, you better tune in. I guarantee you she's going to cry. We'll see y'all back real soon.